Welcome to my first resin flame decor tutorial. It's a short video on the creation of a geode. I've mixed the resin with a catalyst and mixed them well for 3-4 minutes. Now I'm preparing the colors. First the silver, then the black, the violet, and now the lilla. To this one I've added a blending of red and blue ink to make it darker. It's really a gorgeous color. Finally, I'm preparing the white with 3 different pigments. This blending makes it pearly. You can find listed on this page underneath all the materials I've used and I decide to use a square canvas with 30 centimeters side, that is 12 inches, and I put a book underneath so that the canvas remains flat during the work. It's very important to be sure that the canvas is perfectly horizontal, so I use a spirit level to this purpose. Now I start to sketch the lines of the geode. And then I make high edges around the canvas to prevent the resin to run out. I start pouring. I use a stick to be more precise and to bend this fluid substance that is resin to my will. It must go where I want it to go. After pouring the black resin, I continue with the silver and then the white one, always helping myself with a stick to form it as I want to. Then the lilla in a thinner line. And the violet. I'm not satisfied about the violet color, and therefore I first put some violet glitter in it. And then, because I'm not satisfied yet, some acrylic color. And now I like it. Let's see how I go on creating this little geode with a colored resin. For me, it's a magic moment in which my idea becomes real. My fantasy becomes my creation. Now I'm using a torch to get rid of the air bubbles, and a heat gun for the same reason, but also to move the resin around to get some beautiful effects. Using a stick, I make black and violet veins in the colors. I start now with the glass shards. Transparent ones here, violet here, here I put some small silver stones and again violet glass shards in the middle black line. After 1 day, the resin is cured, and I'm drawing lines with white, violet, lilla, and black markers. The markers have different thickness. These lines must not be very thick, and it looks good when you draw 2-3 lines of the same or different colors near each other, like I'm doing here. For this geode, I made only 2 resin layers, and the second one is transparent and covers the whole painting. I spread it out well to cover all corners. Then I used the heat gun to avoid air bubbles and small holes once cured. And here is the result. I'm very satisfied. A little nearer to see the details. Thank you for watching, and please put a thumb up if you liked it. Thank you very much. Bye!